Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is Tian. Welcome back to my playlist of WordPress theme development. So this is mainly the dashboard of WordPress. You can see WordPress 5.3.2 is available. So just yesterday we installed 5.3.1. So we can already update this now. So I'm not going to update this at this moment. In this video, I'm going to show you basically in this video plus a couple of next videos I'm going to show you all the things that is here: posts, media pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and settings. So I will go through these parts so that you are familiar with these things, so that when we will work in the future, you don't get lost. So the very first thing we have here is posts. So here you can see all the posts, and you can add new. You can see all the categories and the tags. So I am opening each one in a new tab. So the first one is all posts, but currently we do not have any posts. So by default, when you install WordPress, you get one post. This is Hello World. If you want to see how it looks, you can click on View, and you can see it right here that Hello World from a random title. This is the site name. So this is Hello World. The author is Tian, and it was created on December 18, 2019, just yesterday. So there is also a comment here. Hi, this is a comment. So this is basically to make it look nice. If I put another comment here, I can write something, another comment, and if I just hit post comment, it will be here. So let's see how it looks. So now two replies on Hello World. A WordPress commentator wrote this one and I wrote this one. So this is the comment. So you can basically add a new post in here. So this is still loading. So I'm kind of running low on my internet today. So this is basically, if you don't see this, this is Gutenberg. You can basically do everything with blocks. Here you can see blocks, and you can see all the things here: post attributes, discussion, excerpt, featured image, then tags, then categories. So you can see all those things here, and basically you can do anything from here. You can add a title, um, random random title, and you can just write anything here. So uh, I'm gonna get a paragraph here, and I'm just gonna write something: lorem ipsum blah blah blah. So basically you can do anything you want, and you can just preview this here, or maybe publish this, I don't know. Do whatever you want. So this is how you create a new post. So the next thing we have here is categories. So you can see you can basically add new category here. You can give it a name, a slug. If you want it to be under any parent category, you can choose from here. You can also give it a description, and currently we only have one category, and that is uncategorized. So if you remember, the post we have here is uncategorized, and if we click here, then it will show all the posts that's under this uncategorized category. So that's how it works. So the last but not the least is tag. So you can basically add new tag. So this is the name, and slug and description. Then currently we do not have any tags, so there's no tags found is showing. But if you create some tags, it will eventually show here, and you can also edit those or delete those. Do whatever you want. You can do those things as well. So this is basically everything you can get in your posts section. uh, so we will talk about these individual things more when we will work with this in the future, so that you don't get lost or anything. So yeah, that's about it. That's about posts posts. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.